Let's make one more exercise in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the sketch, revolve, pipe, and circular pattern. So open your Fusion and let's go. The first step, here will be the midpoint at this face here. And the first thing that we'll make this ring. We have a circle with 33 millimeters of diameter, and the pipe here has 6 millimeters of diameter, okay? And the distance between the center of the circle and this space here, that is our midpoint, is 28 millimeters, okay? So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, and select the front plane, select the circle, make a circle here with 33 millimeters of diameter, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center point and the center of the circle is 28 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this circle here, and finish the sketch. Now go to create and select the pipe and the path, select this circle, and the size section here is 6 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We made this, okay? Now we need to make a pipe from the midpoint to the circle here, to this ring, with 6 millimeters of diameter. So go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle with 6 millimeters of diameter. Finish the sketch. Now go to Extrude, select this profile, the extended type, select it to object, and select this object here, and here select it to AdSense face, and the operation, select it join and press OK. We made this, okay? Now let's make this cylinder here with 40 millimeters of diameter and the length 98 millimeters, okay? So go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter, finish the sketch, go to extrude. We need to extrude this 98 millimeters, okay? So extrude to this side, minus 98 millimeters, operation join, and press OK. We made this, okay? Now we'll make this body here, okay? So the first thing that we'll make here, we'll create a construction line from this face to this point here. The distance, the length of this construction line is letter E, 244 millimeters. So go to create, select the front plane, go to create again, select the project included, project, select the body here and select this body, press OK. I hide this a little bit. Now select a line, a construction line. Click at the mid of this line here. Make a line here with 244 millimeters. Okay. Now here, we'll create a line here, and the distance between this line and this one is 3.5 millimeters. It is for reference, okay? So select line, a construction line. Make a construction line here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line and this one is 3.5 millimeters. Okay. And we'll create a line here for reference. And this line is a vertical horizontal line. So select a line, a construction line, click at this point, make a construction line here. Okay. We made this. Now here we'll make an arc here with 208 millimeters of radius, and we will create another arc here, but this arc will be tangent with this one and tangent with this line, okay? So go to create, select the arc, select the 3-point arc, click at this point, make an arc here, remove the construction line type, and make another arc here. This arc is tangent with this line and tangent with this arc here. And go to sketch dimension, the radius here 280, so 280 millimeters. And this arc here is tangent with this line, so go to constraint, select the tangent, select this arc and this line here. Okay, we made this. Now finish the sketch. The diameter of this pipe here is 7 millimeters. So go to create and select the pipe, select this path here. The section size here is 7 millimeters. Show the body one, and operation here is join. Press OK. We made this, okay. Now we needed to use the circular pattern to make more pipes. So we have 10 pipes here, okay. So go to circular pattern, the object type, select the features, the object, select this object here, the axis, select this axis here, and the quantity here is 10. And press OK. We made this, okay. Now here, to finish this exercise, we have a sphere here with 10 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Show the sketch 4 to take reference. Okay, we have this reference here. So go to create, select the project, include the project, and the selection filter, select the specified entities, and select this point here and press OK. Now go to create and select the arc, select the center point arc, make an arc here with 5 millimeters of radius, sorry, 10 millimeters of radius. Okay, you can hide the sketch 4 and make a line between these 2 points here, and go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this one, this point and this one. Okay, now finish the sketch, show the body one, go to revolve feature, select this profile, the axis is this line here, and the operation here is join, and press OK. We made this, okay. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.